Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you the instruction of how to use this Daikin Air Conditioner remote control. Okay, and let's begin. Okay, now first of all I will explain you the simple thing because all the button it helps the take on the itself and you can read and understand a little bit. And for the secondly I will deeply go to explain each by each of what's the meaning of each button and what is going to use for. Okay, as this remote is the cooling only model, it doesn't provide the heating mode, so it don't have the on button, it's only cool. And then this one is the off button. Okay, and then we going to explain about the dry mode. Dry mode is to lower your humidity in your room, and then go to fan only. So it's cool, it's like that. So when you press the fan only, that means your air conditioner only run the fan, so it not produce the cool air from your air conditioner. So that means it's only the air only come from your air conditioner. And then this temperature up and down bottom, so I think you understand about it. And then this is the fan speed, you can set it as shown is like this picture, it means quiet. And this is the low speed fan, and increase one by one up to 5 step, up to 5 speed of the fan. This is the maximum, it's number 5. and here is the econo mode. So when you press when you enable the econo mode, it will display a logo like this. That is mean you are limited the maximum operation. So it's useful when you use another equipment, electric equipment inside your house. So it protect the circuit breakers not to cut off. Okay, then if you want to disable the econo mode, you just press this button again, and then the button will and then the logo is disappear. And now we're going to talk about this comfort mode. So when we press the comfort button, it will show like this. So it have the two meaning when you use the cooling and the heating. So as this is cooling only, so when we operate the cooling, so the air direction will be go about the people. And then for the heating mode, it will flow the air heating to the floor. Okay, now to disable the comfort mode, you just press this comfort button once more time, so the logo is disappear. And next we going to talk about the powerful button. Okay, powerful, you can see is the strong man is do like this. So when we press the powerful button, it will show like this. So powerful, it means that your air conditioner will run into the maximum capacity that it can. So this function it will disable again after 20 minutes by itself. So if you want to cancel the powerful mode, again just press this button again. So this is a powerful mode can provide you the fast cooling as you want immediately. So in disable it, just press it one more time. Another button is the swing button is just automatically up and down for the air direction. And then it's the mole bottom. It said it push it for 2 seconds. So when I push it for 2 seconds, and let's see. Okay, now you can see is the mole operation is now enabled on the screen of the remote control. So mole operation is it's operate automatically dry inside your air conditioner after the cooling or dry mode, and this small operation will be disabled by itself after 100 minutes. So to disable it manually, you just press this mole button for 2 seconds again, and I press it, and then you will see the mole display here is disappear. And finally, here is the timer button. So it have the on timer, off timer, and cancel timer. So on timer, when you press the on button, you will see the time is show here. So when you press one more, it will go up until 12 hours and then disappear. So now I select 2 hours. That means after 2 hours from this set point, the air conditioner will turn on automatically. And then here is the off timer. So if you press it up to 3 hours, that means from now until another 3 hours, the air conditioner will turn off. And then to cancel all the timer, you just press this cancel, and then it will cancel all the timer function in your air conditioner. Okay, I think that's all for today for the instruction through this Daikin air conditioner remote control. And thank you. I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.